Want to increase the speed of your computer? Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you 4 major ways to increase the speed of your Windows computer. So the first way to increase your computer speed is by deleting all the temporary files that are created by programs on your computer. So to delete them, you press on Windows and R and then type in the command we have here and then press OK. Once that is open, what you have to do is select all the files here. So all files are selected. You can do that by pressing Control plus A, and then everything will be deleted. And then click on the delete icon here, and it will be deleted. So now, the ones that are not able to delete are files that are currently being used by programs on your computer. So those files are okay not to delete. So do this for current, and then we will skip them. So once those are skipped and deleted, we will close this. We will close our file explorer here, and then do another thing. So Windows plus R again. So and then type in temp, and then the same thing, Control plus A. So these are some other files again we have to delete. So and then we delete these ones too. So we just skip this one, and that is okay. So this is the first way to increase your computer speed. So moving on to the second way. So the second way to increase the speed of your Windows computer is by disabling all startup programs. So to do that, you can press Windows Shift and Escape to open your task manager, or you can do that by right clicking on your start menu and then click on task manager. Once the task manager is open, you navigate to startup program. So startup, and then you see on my computer I have few programs that are enabled to start whenever I switch on my computer. So all these programs slows down my computer. So what I have to do is, or what you have to do on your computer, is to disable them. So connect Cisco. The impact on my system is how, so I'll click on it and then I'll disable here. So disable, and I'll disable that one. So Microsoft Edge, I'll not use it, so I'll just disable. OneDrive, I'll disable. So you have to disable every program that the impact is very high. You can disable them on your you can disable them. So once you disable them, booting on your computer will be a little faster than before. So that is the second way to increase the speed of your computer. The third way to increase the speed of your Windows computer is by checking for drive file errors and then optimizing your drive. So to do that, we'll go into our file explorer. You can do that by pressing the Windows key plus E to open your file explorer, and then click on this PC, and then right click on your local disk C. So if you have partitions on your computer like local disk C, local disk D, you have to do it for all the partitions you have on your PC. So I have only one partition, which is my local disk C. All right, click on it and then click on properties. So once you click on the properties, click on tools. You have tools here, click on tools, and then click on check. Click on check to check for file system errors. So you scan my drive, so it will take a little time to scan. So Windows successfully scanned the drive, no errors was found. So we'll close this, and then the last thing is to optimize your drive. So once you optimize, it helps your drive runs smoothly and efficiently. So optimize, click on optimize. Yes, so you choose your partition, so drive C, and then now optimize. The last analyze is running, and the current status is 36% and analyze. So it's analyzing. It will read through and analyze my drive so that it will be able to run smoothly. So as it's being analyzed, I'll pause the video here for you to finish before I continue. So now it is done analyzing. So last analyze is today's date, and then the current status is okay, 0% fragmented. So it's done analyzing my PC, and it will fix all file errors on my PC. So close it, and then move to the last way to increase the speed of our computer. So the last way to increase the speed of your computer is by replacing your hard disk drive with an SSD. So this will boost the speed of your computer by 100%. So how do you know what type of drive your computer is running on? You can check by going right clicking on your start menu and clicking on task manager. When the task manager opens, click on performance here and then click on drive disk. So once you click on the disk, you have the disk is open, they see. So once you come here, type. So type here is HDD. So my daily drive is Ubuntu. So I'm running this Windows on the VirtualBox. So that is why it is showing as the type as an HDD. But my daily drive is an Ubuntu and it is running on an SSD. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel for more tech tips.